is now my honor to introduce a very dear friend of mine, Elliot Garza, publisher of NSIDE Magazine.
Hello, everybody. Can everybody hear me okay? Guys, this is our 4-year anniversary. To be honest with you, I'm speechless. This is... It does not come without hard work. It does not come without a good staff, a hard-working staff, good friends. I got friends from my childhood days here, my new friends, which are all guys. This is a blessing, guys. This is a blessing. Recession, I hate that word. My option is not even think about it. Just work hard, compliment each other, do what we need to do. These nonprofits, they need the money during this time as well. I got good friends. Dr. Marks is here. He's leaving to Nigeria again. I went with him last year. Nicola Hood, Jennifer Broom. I mean, I got some. I'm blessed with good surrounding, and I'm the most fortunate person. It's just a blessing. I don't know what else to say. I'm just overwhelmed with the attendance. Thank you for your support. Thank you. God bless y'all, guys.
Elliot, I need you to come back over here for a second. Even though I know you're not drinking, I wanted to raise a glass in your honor, and I think everybody else here would like to do this as well. You are such a special friend to me, so this absolutely comes from the heart. I've watched you in the past 4 years take your passion, your enthusiasm, your heart of hearts, your hard work, and that special personality to really produce something that is incredible. Thank you for your contribution to this community, the thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars that events like this put back into our community, and thank you for being that special person. Cheers to you, Elliot. Please raise a glass. So on that note, have a wonderful evening. Continue to chit-chat. We'll enjoy some more music and have a fantastic time. Thank you for coming out to celebrate 4 years of NSIDE Magazine.